So I just finished this book by Sandra Brown, Seeing Red, and I got no books to read anymore, so I'm gonna head down to Paseo and probably look for one or two more books at my favorite secondhand bookshop. So yeah, still don't have a phone, so reading has been keeping me occupied all throughout this time. So yeah, let's go and look for some books, maybe one or two.
It's raining heavy. It's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon now, so I decided to just walk down to Paseo again. Just pass the time until probably arrive there around 4 or something. I got nothing better to do, that's why. So yeah, let's do this. So I was walking down the highway and they put up some banners from Uniqlo about some amazing hoodie that they didn't put a price on it, so I'm gonna go and check if they sell anything good there. This is like the only hoodie that I have. All my hoodie I've been giving it away, so I'm left to one. So I'm just gonna go and see if they are selling any good hoodie. Well, I kid you not, there's actually some good coat that I need to get from Uniqlo. And then, yeah, good prices. So probably be coming back here tomorrow or probably this afternoon. And I'm gonna get some hoodie. Anyway, I'm gonna go and look for some books. My intended planned trip down here in Oali. That's my favorite books place.
Ever since I came to the Philippines, this second-hand bookshop has been my go-to place to look for books. It's called Biblio, which means, I think, books. No, Libre is book. Yeah, but anyway, it's my go-to place. I always like coming to second-hand bookshop like this, just to, it's like a gold mine when you come here. Sometimes we stick to the authors that we like, and we seems to forget that there are like more good authors out there, and sometimes we miss some great books. So I usually just come back trying to look for it, trying to look for those great books. So it's out there, you have to just spend time, just read through and look for it. lately I've been reading Linda Brown books. I read 2 already, and I'm trying to keep to Linda Brown books, but I don't know. I'll just see first. This is my favorite author. I mean, not favorite, but recently I've been favoring John Grimm's I finished like 2 books this year alone. Alrighty. Hey, so hot. I have to walk all the way up from Paseo. Anyway, I only got 1 book. I was trying to get 2, but I was asking for any Linda Brown, but they don't have any collections of her, which I don't know. Actually, like Linda Brown was like, I actually found out about her when reading this book. Oh, it's Sandra. I said Linda. I asked the Kuya if they have Linda. It's Sandra Brown. Anyway, as I've said, I just found out about this is actually her first book that I read, so she's American. Anyway, I only got one book, which is Peter May, The Fourth Sacrifice. Now, I got this book because Peter May was born and raised in Scotland, award-winning. So I'm not really sure if his book is based in China. He's Scottish. So I don't know if he's Chinese Scottish or Scottish. But I assume that he's Scottish. So I just want to see how can he write about Chinese crime as a Scottish person. So that's why I bought this book. Anyway, I only got 1, so that will keep me for the next 2 weeks, I believe. So yeah, anyway, I feel like this is one side of me that I never talked about, like reading books, but I'm actually like reading. And I think the more I start to vlog, I think the more I start to share most of my stuff that I like. Like now he's into reading now. So anyway, yeah, see you on the next one.